Good morning and good afternoon to every viewers who's watching the video. Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your facial verification problem in Binance. So basically, this problem is as it word says facial verification. It doesn't recognizes your face. So this feature is for mobile user because for a laptop user or for browser user of Binance, there's no such thing as facial verification. So just like in iPhones, when you open your phone with a facial verification, there is also a feature for Binance called facial verification. So if you turn that feature on, you don't have to type in your login details every single time because it's a hassle. I mean, come on, like every time you try to open your Binance, you gotta enter that email, that verification code, that passport. It's such a hassle. So when you turn on that facial verification, it's easy. It just scans your face, boom, your Binance opens. But if it fails, then there's multiple reasons behind that, and let me tell you guys how you guys can fix it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. The first reason is try to place your head or like your face in a proper way so the camera of your phone can see your entire face. Sometimes somebody just try to scan half of their face. It's not gonna work. So place your face in such a way that your phone's camera can see it entirely, scan it properly. The other thing, make sure to clean the lens of your phone because sometimes due to the lens being dirty, it's not going to scan properly. The other thing, you need to be in a well lighted room because if you're trying to scan your face in a dark room, your phone can't see your face because you're in the dark room and it can't scan it. So be in a well lighted area. And the other thing is don't wear a mask while trying to scan your face. Some people, they just forget they're wearing a mask and they try to scan their face and it's going to say scan failed. So try to remove your mask or any object that's like, covering your face. And the other thing is, if anything I told you right now didn't work, the last option is just delete your Binance, reinstall it again. After you do that, you need to reset up your facial verification again. And after you reset up your facial verification again in Binance, it should start working. All right. So that's how you guys can fix this problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.